Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change background with Nano Banana. For this I'm using Google Gemini. Just come here, click on new chat, and then click here on tools and make sure you toggle on create images. Okay, and if you are on Flash 2.5 as your model, you'll see this banana icon. That means you're using Nano Banana. And then what you want to do is click here, add your file, basically your image where you want to change the background, or you can just go ahead and just drag and drop, right? So I'll go ahead and use this one. We'll drag and drop it right here, and I'll show you the prompt that we'll be using. Let me just come here and show you. You basically use natural language to explain the AI what you want to achieve. So I'll have two examples. Both of them will be in the description. You can copy and paste if you want. You can make your own iterations. The first one is replacing the background with a misty green forest at sunrise and to add a natural contact shadow under the person, right? To make it look more realistic. I'll just go ahead and paste this in. Let the AI work its magic while I show you the other prompt that we have available. The other one, if you want a more studio type of backdrop, so we'll change the background to a clean, white seamless studio backdrop. You can, of course, change the color to blue or anything you want and keep the subject as is, the object as is, because then you're telling the AI what not to change. That is very crucial. So here, as you can see, it didn't really do a good job. Then you go ahead and keep prompting it. This happens sometimes. So I'll show you example of what to do. You just go ahead and explain to the AI like you would to a normal person. Use a natural language, and then prompt it again to correct itself. Okay, still in the learning process. So let's see what it comes up with. There we go. This one looks much better. I even have this other example that I went ahead and achieved, as you can see, and it's really that easy. Just talk to it like a normal, natural language model, and that is how to change background with Nano Banana.